Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified, where we break down complex crypto topics into easy steps. Today, we're diving into how to transfer XRP from Binance to Coinbase in 2025. If you're holding XRP on Binance and want to move it to Coinbase for better security or trading options, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but with 2025's updated regulations, we'll cover the latest tweaks to ensure a smooth transfer. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Binance and Coinbase, and that your XRP is ready to move. Start by logging into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, depending on where your XRP is stored. Once there, find XRP in your asset list and click on Withdraw. Next, you'll need to enter your Coinbase wallet address. Double-check this. It's crucial to avoid any losses. In 2025, remember that XRP transfers often require the XRP Ledger network, so select that from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but be mindful of the network fees, which have been standardized this year to around 0.1 to 0.5 XRP per transaction. Before confirming, verify everything: your address, the network, and the amount. Hit Withdraw, and wait for the confirmation email or two-factor authentication. This step is extra secure now with 2025's enhanced KYC requirements. Once approved, the transfer usually takes 5 to 30 minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. A few quick tips. Always use the correct network to prevent funds from getting lost in limbo. Keep an eye on gas fees, as they fluctuate, and consider transferring during off-peak hours. Also, after the transfer, log into Coinbase and check your XRP balance in the Assets tab to confirm everything's arrived safely. There you have it. Transferring XRP from Binance to Coinbase in 2025 is easier than ever with these steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video.